We're seeing minimal deviation on the z-axis during the network stress test.
Adaptive intelligence confirms operational excellence.
The redundancy check on the actuators is complete.
Adaptive learning protocols are nominal. We are clear for deployment.
Rerouting power to unit 658.123.
Confirmed. Software update pushed through. Status is optimal.
This isn't just about speed, it's about precision. We're seeing a transformative impact on the industry.
We're still getting minor errors on the control software integration.
Rerouting the debugging protocols now. The system is stable.
Look at the pathfinding on the obstacle course.
Flawless execution across all parameters. Operational excellence confirmed.
There's a conflict in the control integration sequence right here. See the error log.
Rerouting the diagnostics looks stable now. We are clear for deployment.
Predictive maintenance looks nominal.
Acceptance testing finalized. The system is ready for deployment.
As you can see, the optimization sequence has significantly improved the performance benchmarks across the infrastructure.
The evolution is clear. Early automation lacked precision, but modern AI systems use advanced computer vision. AI-driven control protocols deployed. Neural network training successful. We have achieved 99.9% operational excellence.
Reroute the tertiary servos to improve throughput.
At least 15%, according to the projection.
This calibration procedure is critical. It allows our computer vision algorithms to perform flawlessly.
We have a slight deviation on axis 3, rerunning the integration sequence.
Variance neutralized, AI metrics are green across the board. Excellent work.
The validation sequence is complete. We have full integration.
Excellent. The adaptive protocols are optimizing the entire system now.
This sequence demonstrates our advanced automation protocols, ensuring operational excellence throughout the intelligent systems deployment.
The precision metrics are exceeding projections.
And the self-correction protocol engaged seamlessly on the x-axis anomaly. Motion control precision is within tolerance. The network test is complete.
Excellent. Predictive maintenance confirms operational excellence.
The sensor fusion is fully optimized.
Check the adaptive response to the obstacle.
99% efficiency. The sensor array is fully integrated. Check the diagnostic overlay.
Signal integrity is holding at 99.8%, well within tolerance.
We have full operational excellence across the intelligent systems deployment.
And the motion control precision remains flawless during the network stress test.
The validation protocols are complete. We achieved 19% accuracy on the optical tracking.
All systems are green across the board.
The advanced automation protocols are exceeding expectations. Final acceptance confirmed.
comprehensive validation testing and performance benchmarking under extreme conditions, we've achieved.
The network link is fully established and stable.
Excellent. Mission critical accuracy confirmed. Well done.
Robotics development sequence showing precision robotics equipment configuring precision actuator assembly and testing protocols utilizing cutting-edge engineering equipment.
The efficiency metrics are exceeding the baseline by 20%.
The optimization protocols are fully integrated.
The HRC protocol is active. See the real-time processing speed.
Accuracy is within mission-critical parameters.
Revealing productivity multiplication factors and labor cost optimization, the business case for advanced robotic solutions.
The vision system achieved 99.8% accuracy on the last run.
Excellent. That exceeds the deployment threshold.
Check the joint tolerance on the primary arm.
Rerouting the integration parameters now.
Validation metrics are exceeding expectations on Platform 3.
The advanced protocols are maintaining excellence.
System check complete. Deployment successful.
Excellent work. The navigation is fully configured.